Get comfortable. Yeah. Okay, go for the red first. Cock it, dude. Let it go fast. Good job. Now you're live because it's not on safety. Good job. You going for the red?
Yeah.
You're hitting it. I can see it. Unload that bad boy.
That's how I got burned last time. I'm not going to die because of a bullet.
No, dude. I'm blocking the ricochet and you're wearing a long sleeve shirt. Let it go.
Let's go with 4 shots.
Does it need to be cocked again?
Jam. Yeah, let it go. Okay, go. Try again.
Where are we shooting?
Go. Let it go. There you go. Good job. Gab, you got all that in the red.
Except one, sadly.
That's pretty good. Yeah, I can't even see what you're seeing.
Why?
You want to sit down lower?
No.
There you go. Get comfortable. There you go. You're doing real good. From here. Bang it out. That thing doesn't even kick. Okay, you're done. You want to see what you did?
What is your dagger?
Here's Gabby's group. Back it up 1 yard. There you go. Good job, Gabriella. You got 1, 2, 3 strays. Okay, you want to go for the headshot or you want to go for number 5?
You want to go to the same race? We do the same thing?
You got the double banana. Okay? You got to cock it, girl.
Good.
Push it, push it. No, push it forward. Yeah. Next time, just push it forward. Let it go, Gab. Hold it the black. That's pretty good, no jams. If you aim for the neck, you won't miss. You done? Okay, flip. Pull that. Flip that. Cock it and you're ready to go again.
Really?
Yeah, dude. Yeah, you gotta cock it though. Get another 25. Only bad thing is ammo though. Getting tired? Look at a big hole in that target, dude. that it?
Yeah.
Wait, hold on.
Yeah.
Hold on. Okay, now you're ready.
Okay.
8. Good job. Hold
Will
it.
ricochet, right?
No, you're good. Just hold it tight, like I told you. Let it go. Go. Hold on. Okay, when you see that, you gotta just bang it forward. Okay, no, that's why you have to hold it tight, Gab, so it'll cycle. Hold it tight. Hold it tight. Tight. There you go. That's good job. Oh, stop. Gabby. Here, watch that. Woohoo!
It did ricochet.
Here. Okay, you're live. Go. Go for the head, Gab. You can tell your bullets because they're small. Don't worry about it. It's just going to be a second.
Work it out.
Go.
Don't tell me no.
Take your time. Breathe. Exhale, shoot. Exhale, squeeze. Good job. Exhale. With the neck. When you're hitting. Exhale. Good job. You all right?
No.
You don't like it?
Scaring me.
Hey, dude, you're live. Point it down, range. Don't lift it up. You want me to shoot the rest? Then do it. Knock it out.
And then I'm done.
All right.
I'm done.
Good job.
Wait a minute.
Daddy's turn. Good job, yeah.